Flintshire County Council collect garden waste from all over the county and turn it into a super rich soil conditioning product. Approximately 12,000 tonnes of green waste from Flintshire's households, household recycling centres, roadsides, parks and gardens is collected every year. It's taken to the council's own composting site in Greenfield. Only vegetation such as grass, branches and leaves can be taken to the site. Items such as soil, cardboard or plastic cannot be accepted. First, the material goes through a huge shredder. It's then laid into long rows, turned weekly and temperature checked daily. The heat and moisture produced assists the biological breakdown of materials. The process takes about 8 weeks to complete, and when it's ready, the feedstock is screened to produce a fine, nutrient-rich soil conditioner. This product is all natural, with no additives or fertilisers added. Just 10 weeks from tipping their garden waste, Flintshire residents can return to a household recycling centre to pick up their compost waste to put back on their gardens. The remaining product is used by horticulture companies and the agricultural sector for use on farmlands. Collect some soil conditioner today. Your gardens will thank you for it.